Well, good morning, everyone. We're starting the Hangout a little bit late, just a few technical issues with getting it set up. Unfortunately, my webcam's not working, so it's audio only from my end. Just waiting for more people to join, but it looks like we have a couple of people viewing the broadcast. So really, this is just a welcome, an intro to the cmooc. The cmaltcmooc, the Certified Member of the Association for Learning Technology cmooc, really a way of connecting small groups globally and hopefully getting people to start putting together their professional portfolios of practice. So our Google Plus community is where all the discussions are happening, and it's good to see some activity happening there. Really keen for people to participate and share their ideas, share their work, share their practice. So there's a couple of really key things that we're trying to do this week is really just set the community up, get people to introduce themselves, get people to add themselves to our collaborative Google map, and you should have had an invite to that. If you haven't signed up to the Google Plus community yet, then once you have, you'll get an invite to that Google map and you can put yourself on the map. The other thing is the little survey, just to find out your prior experiences before doing the cmooc. So there's a link in the Google Plus community to the survey. So I encourage you to do that. It won't take long, it's probably 10 minutes max. If you feel like doing a little welcome video, then that would be great as well. You can see a couple of examples that we've embedded into the Google Plus discussion forum, one with Todd and one with Stuart. So we just used Clips, little free iOS app, but you could use Instagram. It does a very similar sort of thing. Use some of the filters, make it look a bit cooler, and you can add effects, etc. And just a very short little intro to yourself by way of introduction. So it's great to see that there are a few people joining us online. Just waiting for a few more people to join, but the other thing that we're doing this week is really getting you to think about your contextual statement. What is it that really drives you in teaching and learning? Your teaching philosophy, your approach to teaching and learning. What are some of the fundamental things that have influenced your philosophy of teaching and learning? So that's effectively a contextual statement. And what would be great would be for people to blog about that, start creating their portfolios. We suggest you use WordPress, but you could use any blog. And then just share your outline of your contextual statement on the project bank, which is linked off our WordPress site, cmaltcmooc.wordpress.com, and click on the project bank link. So you'll see there's an example there already, but it'd be good to get some other examples from other participants. So looking forward to having people participating, sharing ideas, connecting across the world. We've got people involved from Coventry University in the UK, Hamburg. We have people that have joined us from South Africa as well, and all right across New Zealand, which is great, and quite a few in Australia as well. So welcome to everyone. And unfortunately, the doesn't look like anyone else has managed to join the Hangout live, so everyone else is just viewing. But I really encourage you to just feel part of the network, start sharing your ideas, contributing, asking questions in the discussion forum on Google+, just sharing any information that you have via the hashtag, particularly via Twitter or any other social media that you use, but use the #cmaltcmooc hashtag to curate all of your activity throughout the next 7 weeks. So that's really all I wanted to cover, just by way of intro, just a welcome. Great to have you as part of this network, and just encourage you to share your work. So the key things for this week: introduce yourself on the discussion forum on Google+, start tweeting on Twitter using the hashtag #cmaltcmooc, do the intro survey, and work on your contextual statement and share it as an example on the project bank on our WordPress site, cmaltcmooc.wordpress.com, and click on the project bank link to submit it to the project bank. And you can also rate each other's submissions on the project bank. So looking forward to catching up here. We'll see you online. Thanks for dropping in. We'll catch you all later.